Police in Bend and all of Oregon may not fall under the statewide healthcare provider COVID-19 vaccination mandate. Noah Chast joins us with more on this. Noah, what's changed?
Lee, it's the determination of who is and who is not deemed a healthcare provider. The Oregon Health Authority explanation says police will probably not fall under the vaccine mandate, but it depends on the definition of an officer's medical care status. No vaccine requirement.
Correct. At this time, there is no police mandatory vaccines in Bend.
Ann Orend is the communications director for the city of Bend. She says the city follows guidelines from the Oregon Health Authority.
Well, OHA has determined that police officers are probably not subject to its mandatory vaccination rule, and the city follows OHA guidelines. So the city has made no decisions at this time to require any of its employees to be vaccinated other than those subject to OHA rules.
The OHA published answers to frequently asked questions in regards to the governor's statewide healthcare provider COVID vaccination mandate. For the question about whether police are covered, it says, probably not. While a police officer may have some medical training or may even be a licensed healthcare provider, it is likely not a fundamental part of their job to provide direct or indirect medical care in a healthcare setting. If a police officer has a job that by definition requires them to provide medical care to individuals, then the rule likely does apply. The 11-page Q&A also covers dentists, EMS, and firefighters, all of which are subject to the rule. Sergeant Jason Janes with the Deschutes County Sheriff's Office says there are a number of officials and attorneys working throughout the state to make the final decision. He says until then, the Sheriff's Office is not enforcing a mandate. There's currently a lawsuit between the governor's office and several state troopers, 5 from Central Oregon, over the vaccine mandate. It's unclear when and if a determination will be made at the state level. However, that lawsuit could play a key role. We'll have any updates on the case right here on News Channel 21. Lee?